I just hit 309% on SPX. Market is still open. I'm done for the day. I want to show y'all the setup that I found on SPX coming to the downside. I marked out the first 5-minute candle, and we did definitely have the first 3 5-minute candles inside. So that was pretty much the 15-minute ORB. And I was looking at this support line, and all of these fill two ups just had me like, no, I think we're going to fall. We had a hard time getting back above this first 5-minute candle. And when this rejected, I was already like, all right, I think the market's going to fall. Let me try to wait and see what it's going to do. When I bring in the 10-minute chart, you can see we had fill two up after fill two up. This candle. This candle right here. All rejections. All rejections. We're not really breaking. I was looking at the 5-minute too, and I was just like, I seen it had these lows. This is going to break to either side. I brung in this tool right here. Let me turn this white. And let's extend right. I seen this fell too right here on the 5. Got in right here, quick 300%. The ADR, I was targeting the ADR. It's such an easy play because if you just waited and if you was really, really patient, the market was telling you, look at this. I just, let me straighten this up. I'm a bit of a neat freak. Okay, so you have 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3. And I'm just doing fell two ups. 4. 5. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fell two ups on the 5-minute chart. Once we broke this trend line, I knew to get inputs. So then we started to go ahead and break that structure. Lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high. And I wouldn't be surprised if we come down here. But this was the target, 72.15. So you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fell two ups on the 5-minute. How many did we have on the 10? We have 1, 2, 3, just 3 of them on the 10. And let's go to the 1-hour chart. So we had a fill two down. I was waiting for this to go back to the upside earlier. Like I said, we couldn't get back above 75.65. It created an inside candle. I like to play the break of the 1 candles. So if you're going to break to the upside, I'll get in calls. If you're going to break to the downside, I'll get in puts. But we were below VWAP, the 9 EMA, the 20. Once we broke below this right here on the hour, I knew. Breakdown, come and take out the lows. This was your target right here. 1-hour price target. So that was a target. I actually had 2 contracts. I scaled out right here, and then I scaled out the other one right here. I had 2 SPX puts, and they paid real good. I'm not gonna lie, they paid real good. And this will be a 1-hour gap fill if they just decide to get really nasty and sell it off all day. So this is a box. This is your range right here. This is your range. 1-hour gap fill. Let's see if they want to come down and touch that and feel that. That can't happen. So let me see what I'm seeing on a broader perspective. I did draw a broadening formation. So I'm kind of feeling like the market is going to come down, sell off, and come back to this right here, 74.13. We will see. We will see. Because this is the 1 hour. All right. This is the 1 hour. We'll get gaps to fill. We got a gap right here, gap right here. Let's just draw that gap. 1 hour. One hour gap. And then the fill will be right here. Boom. So we got a gap right here, gap right here. It can look something like this when it start to, just break down. It can look just like that. Or they can just keep this propped up and keep going. The market has its own personality, but this is a nice broadening formation that I'm looking at. Let's look at it on the 4 hour. Yeah, this definitely could be a possible sell-off. And already starting to come down. If you look at the 4 hour, it's already starting to come down. So this can happen. So we call broadening formations. But it feels good to be done. I'm done for the day. I don't want to be greedy. And yeah, this is a potential play to come down here and fill these gaps. I would not be surprised. Let's look at it on a daily. You have, let's delete all of this. You got a lot of things going on. Connecting these highs. This right here, this can be simply just breakout, retest of this, and literally, if I go back on a 4 hour and the 1 hour, this right here is almost kind of set to come and take out these gaps to the downside on a 1 hour. Let's go back to the 1 hour. Let me draw out this other broadening formation. Okay, let's get back to this one. Yeah. Yeah, so this could definitely happen. Breaking retest, come down. All I did was just connect this low and just waited. I just waited. And like I said, if we would have broke to the upside, if we would have did something like this, I'd have been in calls to come and close this gap right here. But we didn't because we broke to the downside. This right here is a hot mess. This right here is a hot mess. And it's tightening up, start tightening up. And then boom, it finally broke. It chose a side. It chose a side. And I am done. I see y'all on the next video. 300% on SPX for me. Tomorrow, I will be live in my group, SPX Blueprint. If you are interested, please click that link in the bio. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please share this to a friend. I'm live Tuesday through Friday. I would really love for y'all to come over there and rock with your boy. I'm out. This is your boy Payne, and I'll see y'all on the next trade. Peace.